Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Erin Dawson. I'm the DevRel Communications Manager at Oracle, and today I'm with my colleague Paul Parkinson to talk about CloudWorlds. Paul, how are you? How's it going?
I am awesome. Thank you. It's going great.
Good, good. Before we get to what you'll be speaking about at Oracle CloudWorld in October next month, 2022, if for people who don't know, can you fill us in on what you do at Oracle?
Sure. Yeah, I've been at Oracle for decades now, and always in the transaction processing area and in the modern application development area. So microservices, and both of those facilitate the observability stuff that I talk about a lot now.
Very cool. Okay, cool. So I know you're doing kind of a lot at Oracle Cloud World, including longer form talks, including maybe a video demo, which maybe we could talk about a little later, lightning talks as well. But I was wondering if you could just choose one and talk to us about that, maybe about microservices.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, thanks. Because that's true. I think probably the thing to talk about is microservices and observability, because all the modern app dev and microservices really, I said facilitate, it necessitates observability because these systems are spread across all the networks and things now. As microservices are great, but observing them is a chore. And there are all these different tools now, but developers and DevOps people, they don't want to go between five different consoles trying to correlate everything. And so what we've been focused on is being able to present all of that in one console, all of these different data types, these different systems, communication across REST and messaging, metrics, logs, and tracing in the same console. And what's another extremely unique aspect of it is usually when you see these tools, they all stop at the database. So they don't go across tiers. You're tracing, here's your app. You're looking in these different tools, as I say. Then it hits the console and there's a node on the right that's all right, it hits the database, and there's a node on the right that says database. Okay, now go over your database tracing tools. So what I'm talking about a lot here is all these different aspects of modern app dev, but visualizing them end to end. And so that's all your mobile apps, your two-tier, your three-tier, one console. That's the idea.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, that's going to be really useful. And speaking of utility, what would you say that developers can walk away with from going to this talk?
Yeah. What's nice, aside from the knowledge you get from my presentation, the workshop, doing a couple workshops, but the workshop you can take home with you essentially because it's deployed as a live lab on a free tier on the Oracle cluster. So then you can do little tweaks in the workshop. You'll see you can change your app or you can change what you want to see from the console. So it's very customizable. That's actually one of the key aspects. And so you'll see it then, and then you only have the hour or two there. You take it home and mess with it and add your own app and observability needs in. So
Absolutely.
yeah.
Man, I wish I was going now to Cloud World. Cool. Well, this was just a teaser, right? But I know that this is going to be super in depth and really helpful for developers. And we'll hope to see you at Cloud World in Las Vegas 2022. Thank you, Paul. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you. See you there.